Alright guys, so I just got done filming the suspension video. Now we're gonna go on another little adventure to record it. We're at Ricketts Glen. I guess it's a bunch of cool waterfalls. So it was like a 2-hour drive. I got some good road time on the Bilstein suspension. I'm gonna go for a little hike and I'm gonna take some video. Come with me. Alright, so we made it to the first waterfall. There's like 11 here or something. It's gonna continue on. I got the camera with me, so I'm taking some cool pictures too. Video.
Oh.
Alright, so we made it up here. Check out that. We have how many waterfalls left?
Like 7 or 8.
7 or 8. Stones keeping up. We got all those steps to go up. Should be fun. Yeah, it does. Alright, so we made it to an intersection up here. There's 2 separate waterfalls we can go to. One up that way, one up that way. I don't know where we're gonna go. Alright, so we're halfway around the loop right now, making our way around to Waterfall Town. I don't even know if that's what you want to call it. Check this out though. we made it to the biggest waterfall. I just took some cool pictures. Got the drone up in the air. Now we're gonna head out and try to get out before it's dark. It's kind of run out of daylight. All right, so we made it to the top of a hill. I would actually call this a mountain. And we're going through this rock, this big boy. There's a bug on my head. I don't even know. We don't have much time to get back, so we gotta go. Check this out. Rocky. Alright, we're more than halfway back down. Kicking butt. Alright, so we are at the trailhead again. Made it the whole way from here to Waters Meet. All the way up here, the Highland Trail. Over there, down, and then all the way back. Man, I am tired. But I do it for you guys. I definitely didn't do this just to get out. So, if you like this video, hit like, smash subscribe. If you want to see me get out with Ashley, get some exercise, and die out here, I didn't say that because YouTube doesn't like that. We got ice cream. It was so good.
Stoney, he won't even take his freaking eyes off of it.